Hey everyone, welcome to the brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I optimize every blog post before publishing using Rank Math SEO plugin. And believe me guys, this tutorial will be very helpful for a beginner. So, without wasting my valuable time, let's jump into it. Still, if you didn't install Rank Math SEO plugin, then let me show you how to install Rank Math SEO plugin for your WordPress website. At the beginning, you have to open a new tab and search for Rank Math. Now open the first official website. Now you have to click on download for free button. Now you have to choose a plan. Rank Math currently offers 3 pricing plans for all of their users: Pro, Business and Agency. The most affordable Pro plan comes at $7.99 per month and allow you to add unlimited personal website, track up to 1000 keywords, powerful schema generator and much more options. Their business plans comes at $24.99 per month and support 200 client website, track up to 20,000 keyword, powerful schema generator and much more options. And the Rank Math most expensive agency plan comes at $54.99 per month and support 750 client website, track up to 70,000 keywords, free content ad trial and much more options. But if you just start, then you can go with their free plan. To go with the free plan, you have to create an account on Rank Math. To create an account on Rank Math, you have to click on My Account, then click on Register Now button. Now there are 4 different options. You can register your account on Rank Math using Facebook, Google, WordPress.com or email or password. Once you log into a Rank Math account, then you have to click on Download button. Then the Rank Math plugin will be downloaded on your computer. Once the download process is finished, then log into your WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse on plugins and click Add plugin. Now you have to click on Upload plugin and drag and drop the Rank Math SEO plugin, which is a download from Rank Math official website. Now you have to click on Install Now button. Once the install process is finished, then click on Active plugin button. Once you activate the Rank Math SEO plugin, then setup page will be open on your computer. At the first step, you have to connect your Rank Math account. But you can do this later, so I am going to skip this step. Now you got 3 different options: Easy, Advanced and Custom mode. But the Custom mode is only available for the Pro user. So you have to go with Easy or Advanced mode. Let's go with Advanced and click on Start Wizard. Now you have to describe your WordPress website as something like that, but I am going with personal blog. Now you have to type your website name, and your website have any alternative name, then you can type the name here. And if you have a logo for Google, then you can upload it from here. And if you want to add a default social image, then you can do this from here. Now you have to click on Save and Continue button. Now you have to connect Rank Math with Google service. If you connect Rank Math with Google service, then you'll get lots of data like impression, click, average position, CTR from your WordPress dashboard. But you can do this later. So again, I'm going to skip this step. Now we will come to the Rank Math sitemap page. From this page, you can easily change the public taxonomies. Then click on Save and Continue, and then SEO tweaks. If you are not knowing that's your empty category, then you can enable this. And if you want to know flow or the external link, then you can enable this or keep it as it is. And if you want to open all of the external link in a new window, then you can enable this. Now you have to click on Save and Continue. Now you are ready to go with Rank Math SEO plugin. So you have to click on Return to Dashboard. Let me show you how I optimize every post before publishing using Rank Math SEO plugin. To go with Rank Math SEO plugin, at the beginning you have to open a post or page. Once you open a new post after install Rank Math SEO plugin, then you will see these 2 options will be appear here. One is Rank Math and another one is Content AI. So to click on Rank Math, at first you have to get your focus keyword, but the question can be appear on your mind: what is focus keyword? Focus keyword is the main topic of your content. Let's think, if you search something on Google like mastering Elementor, then this is your focus keyword. At first you have to take your focus keyword and paste on it here. Now you have to click on Edit Snippet. By using the Rank Math SEO plugin, you can easily change your title, permalink and description. But again, the same question can be appear on your mind: what is title, permalink and SEO description? Once you search something on Google, then this first bullet text is your SEO title. And this small description is your SEO description, and this is the URL of a specific post or page. By using the Rank Math SEO plugin, you can easily change your default title, description, and permalink. Now let's jump to the basic SEO. First, you are using focus keyword on your SEO title. That means you have to use a focus keyword on this place. Then focus keyword used inside SEO video description. That's mean here. Then focus keyword used in the URL. That's mean here. On the next step, you have to use a focus keyword the beginning of the content. That's mean you have to use a focus keyword this kind of place. Then focus keyword must need to be appear into your content. Then your content length at least 600 words. Let's expand the additional section. The first one is focus keyword must need to be found in H2, H3 or H4 headings. So if you are using focus keyword this kind of place, then this option will be green. Let me show you for you. Then you have to add an image with focus keyword as an image alt tag. Let me show this for you. At first, you click on settings, then click on post. Now click on thumbnail and then add a focus keyword and click on set feature image. Then you'll see this option will be green. Then you'll be linked out with external resource. Let's think you write an article about Elementor, so you have to link up with external resource similar to Rank Math. Let's add some external link. Then this option will be green. Then you have to add some internal link like some the related article. Then this option will be green. And that's the basic SEO feature of Rank Math SEO plugin. And that is how I optimize my WordPress article before publishing using the Rank Math SEO plugin. I hope you found this video useful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video.